In this video, you'll learn how to sum a column in Notion. Start by creating a new table view, which is basically a new database. Give it a name, then open it as a full page for easier editing. Next, add a new property and set its type to number. Enter a few numbers into the column so you have some values to work with. Previously, Notion showed the total automatically at the bottom, but that's no longer the case. Now, to get the sum, click on the column name, then select Calculate. From the options that appear, click on More Options, and then choose Sum. Once you do that, the total value of the numbers in that column will be displayed at the bottom. You can change this calculation at any time to show averages, counts, or other metrics. This is a simple and fast way to calculate totals directly inside your Notion databases. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.